This is a 250 milliliter jar. The lid. Bamboo skewers. We already had these ones in our drawer that I ordered are this size, which this size will probably work. It's 6 inches and it says 15.25 centimeters, and this one says 20 centimeters, and clearly these are much thicker. And we also have number 6 square braid cotton wick, and I got this from Amazon, and I got the skewers from Amazon, and we wanted to get these at Walmart, but they didn't have the pretty jar, so I ended up ordering these for a pretty decent price on Amazon as well. It's got like the fruit. We also got pure beeswax yellow block 16 ounces. And so I have the recipe for how to make these candles from wellnessmama.com. And she mentions the use of palm oil, but I didn't want to buy that because we already have coconut oil, and I figured we could maybe use this in place of palm oil. And I think she might even recommend using coconut oil on her website. Alright, so we're going to give this a try and see how it works. Welcome to Pioneer Day. Weren't you glad homeschool?
Yeah.
Okay, so I put the coconut oil in the melted beeswax. It took the beeswax forever to melt. Hour and a half. It took forever. Mike's suggestion is cutting the beeswax before doing that, or maybe have a cooler double broiler system going on. It literally worked out perfectly though, because it took us that long to do the covered wagon craft, so it really, Mike's like finishing that up right now, so. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit in, and then you're going to put your wick in. Okay. Watch out, please.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
It's a lot.
I didn't say how much. You want it to be able to hold it though.
Okay, it's the next morning.
Mama,
What?
I heard you won't.
So do not blow it out. It has to burn for 2.5 hours, okay?
Why?
So that we don't produce a hole down the middle. Okay,
No,
so
put it
there
back
is
on there.
yours.
So I won't
You want to come light yours? Or just stand next to me? Okay, it's beautiful.
That's mine. Oh, look at Scarlet. It looks like Jack's hand.
Daddy's.
I'll pull it.
No, we're not going to blow it. We're not going to blow it out. Awesome. Don't. Isla. Okay. Beautiful. Good job, guys.